Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change workspace in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty easy. First of all, if your workspace is messed up and you wanna get back to default one, for that you just need to go to Workspace tab and look for the option Reset UI Layout. Once you find it, simply click on that and you will able to reset your layout. If you don't want dual screen, you can simply click on this option to toggle off dual screen. Then you can just simply hide the media pool if you want, as well as along with that you can also use this option in order to get the full view of your timeline. Similarly, let's say you want to move it a bit upward. For that, just hold it right here and simply move it a bit upward. You can use this line to make your video preview a bit bigger or smaller. Okay, and similarly you can do that for audio as well. So it is that easy. Along with that, you can also go to Workspace tab. You have a couple of more options here, like if we just go to this option, show page navigation. If we click on that, we'll able to hide navigation page, but that's a useful feature. That's why we're gonna enable that. And also, if you want your DaVinci Resolve on full screen mode, you have the option for that as well. Like here you can see we have the option for full screen. So simply click on this option, full screen window, and that way we'll able to make DaVinci Resolve full screen window. And you can also hide names for these options like media, photo, cut. For that you just need to hit right click, simply click on this option, show icons only, and you'll able to hide the names, but I usually show icons and labels. And also if you want to hide specific ones like media or cut page, you can do that too. Again, for that we need to go to Workspace tab. Right here we need to look for option show page and simply uncheck the ones you want to hide. I want to hide media and photo, so I'll simply just hide photo now, and you can see media page and show page is now gone. So yeah, this is the process. You just need to play with some random buttons in order to make your workspace the way you want. Like if I click on this, I'll able to get media data view. Let's say I don't want this, so I can simply switch back to thumbnail view. Similarly, you can click on mixer to get mixer on the right hand side. If I want to hide it, I again need to press on that, and that's the process. Now guys, once you're done with your workspace and wanna save it, for that simply go to Workspace. Here you'll able to see the option layout presets. Simply here we need to click on this option save layout as preset, and you can just name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it, let's say LL2, and simply click on OK. Now whenever we messed up and wanna get back to our created preset, we can simply go to Workspace tab, select the option layout presets, and simply select LL2 and load preset. That way you'll able to get back to your created workspace. And also if you're wondering whether we have that option to drag and drop tools from one side to another side like we have in Photoshop, then it seems like that the option is not available in DaVinci Resolve. This is only you can do for now. So yeah guys, this is the process in order to change your workspace in DaVinci Resolve. You can do the same for color page, fusion page, and so on. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.